It's been 86 rotations since the human Marcus joined the Divalis crew as our engineering consultant. Officially, it was a cross-species technical exchange. But unofficially, I suspect it was an experiment to see if he could endure us, or if we could endure him. Humans have a strange relationship with pain. Yesterday, Marcus spilled a droplet of coolant on his hand. It blistered instantly. Our species would need grafting. He simply rinsed it, hissed through his teeth, and stated, "It'll scab over by morning." And it did. I observed his skin knitting itself back day by day. Our medic called it biological madness. Marcus just shrugged and said, "It's just a scratch, calm down." His eating habits are equally perplexing. He adds liquid capsaicin, a known irritant for 47 species, to nearly everything he eats. Our botanist handled it with gloves. Marcus just said it makes food taste better. When I reminded him that capsaicin's main effect is pain, he just grinned and replied exactly, "The burn is the best part." He also drinks ethanol, the same chemical we use to sterilize tools and strip paint. He mixes it with fruit sugars and calls it a good time. One night he invited the crew to join him. The smell alone triggered the emergency ventilation system. Marcus laughed until he couldn't stand and promptly fell asleep mid-sentence. I've since learned this is considered a successful evening among humans. His temperature tolerance baffles us too. He showers in water hot enough to sterilize surgical tools. He claims it relaxes the muscles. Conversely, he visits maintenance decks during cryo flushes, when temperatures drop below freezing. He stands there unprotected with condensation forming on his breath and declares it refreshing. We installed a temperature alarm just for him, but he disabled it shortly after finding it. His sleep habits confuse us as well. Apparently, humans willingly lose consciousness for a third of the day. They call this sleep. When Marcus first did this on the ship, we thought he was in medical distress. He showed no movement. His temperature dropped, his heartbeat slowed, all classic signs of shock or system failure. He awoke 6 hours later, stretched, and asked for breakfast. And yet, through all of this, he works tirelessly. He adapts to every system, every environment. He once fixed a plasma relay by hand instinctively. He claimed he could feel where the issue was, as if that makes any sense. I ran diagnostics afterward. He was right. Humans are imprecise creatures. They guess, they improvise, they endure. And somehow, unbelievably, the universe bends around that confidence. Here's my observation. The human body seems to exist in constant negotiation with death. It poisons itself for pleasure, damages itself for fun, then collapses nightly in simulated death to recover. But perhaps that's what makes them so dangerous and so fascinating. They do not fear harm, they expect it, and they survive anyway. End log.